Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to rank scores using the rank function in Excel. Okay, so to access that you just have to put in your equal sign, type rank, and then .eq. You're going to see that function there, just click on it. Okay, now you want to select the first digit, then you go ahead to put a comma there and you highlight the whole column of digits. Okay, just make sure you are selecting only the numbers. Alright, now you are going to press the F4 key on your keyboard to make it your absolute reference, and there you have it. You drag from the first rank down to the bottom and you can see that your scores have been ranked. Now what's beautiful about this is that if you change any of the scores there, the rank or position changes as well. So you realize that one student has moved from 99 to 97, still first, and then we're going to move her to 52, and yes, the rank changes to 7. We changed the score to 52, now we've changed it to 100 and it's back. Okay, yes, so that's how to actually use Excel to rank scores. If you're a teacher, you're a lecturer, and you're handling multiple students, this is the way to go.